It's going to take about 20 minutes of your time to do this healing meditation. In guiding you, I will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to learn to relax and contact your inner self. Through this process of self-hypnosis, you can accomplish any self-improvement you desire. It is desirable at first to avoid being interrupted, but in the future you will be able to apply this same technique instantly, anywhere, to manage stressful situations. Make yourself comfortable now in a sitting or lounging position. Begin by staring at a point on the ceiling or the wall. Focus on your breath. Breathe into your belly, up to the diaphragm, and then into the chest. Hold and release as you continue to stare at this point on the ceiling or wall. Again, breathe into your belly, up to the diaphragm, and then into the chest. Hold and release. Breathing in this manner is a perfect exercise and way to focus on your breath. Again, breathe into your belly, up to the diaphragm, and then into the chest. Hold and release. Your eyes are becoming heavy and you want to close them. You may do so now as you continue to focus on your breath. You are becoming more and more relaxed. You are on an escalator going down. You see a violet neon sign blinking on and off with the word deeper. I'm going to count down from 50 to 1 as you become more and more relaxed. Let go of any thoughts in your mind and any tension in your body. You are more and more able to allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into a state of complete relaxation, more relaxed than you have ever been before. Give yourself permission to be comfortable. 50, 49, 48. Enjoy the peace and relaxation of this deep state of relaxation. Allow your conscious and unconscious mind to work together in harmony for your greatest good. You are more and more able to accept and love yourself. 47, 46, 45. You notice a golden healing energy coming into your feet. You relax your feet and know that they work for your well-being. With each breath in, you are more relaxed. With each breath out, you are releasing all negativity and tension. 44, 43, 42. This golden healing energy comes up your legs, ankles, calves, and knees. You are relaxing completely, allowing your legs to work more effectively for your well-being. More and more relaxed, deeper and deeper, more able to receive this healing energy. Golden healing relaxing energy goes up into your buttocks, allowing this area to work more and more effectively than ever before. You continue to relax and feel so comfortable as you allow yourself to go deeper into this state of total relaxation. 41, 40, 39. The golden healing power moves up your entire back, allowing your back to work for you more efficiently than ever before. Deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. 38, 37, 36. The golden healing energy goes up your neck, back of head, into your scalp, allowing all blocks to be released. Release all thoughts now no longer relevant to your life. Allow positive energy into your entire being. 35, 34, 33. The golden healing power opens up your forehead. All tension is dispersed. You are more filled with creativity and its expression than ever before. 32, 31, 30, 29. Golden healing energy moves down your face. All frustration is cleared from your eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Blocks are removed, allowing more clarity than ever before. Deeper and deeper. 28, 27, 26. Healing energy enters your throat and thyroid. Negativity is dispersed. Blocks are removed. You express yourself better than ever before. Your throat and thyroid work more efficiently than ever before. 25, 24, 23. The healing energy and golden power fill your chest. Your lungs and heart work more efficiently than ever before. All sadness is released. More love enters your heart than ever before. Deeper and deeper. 22, 21, 20. Relaxation enters your abdomen area, allowing all mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional toxins to be released now. Your stomach functions more efficiently than ever before. 19, 18, 17. Golden healing energy floods your liver and gallbladder areas, allowing them to function more efficiently than ever before. Deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. 16, 15, 14. The golden healing energy enters your pancreas and spleen, releasing all imbalances in this area. 13, 12, 11. Relaxation energy floods your intestines, allowing all negativity to be released as you go deeper into this state of total relaxation. 10, 9, 8. Healing energy enters your kidneys and bladder, relaxing any tension in this area, allowing your kidneys and bladder to function more efficiently than ever before. 7, 6, 5. The golden healing energy fills your thighs with relaxing healing energy, allowing your thighs to work for you more efficiently than ever before. You love your thighs more than you have ever loved them before. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deeper and deeper. The golden healing energy has reached your feet again now. You are surrounded in a protective circle of golden healing energy. You feel more relaxed, comfortable, and loved than you ever have before. You are now at the bottom of the escalator. You notice a door. You walk through this door into a beautiful place. You feel good, so tranquil and peaceful. You see a tall, thin, beautiful woman coming towards you. She is your higher self, the goddess within you that is forever divine. She has met you here today to help you. You have chosen to give up to the universe. The sound of my voice now will be your higher self, her voice, guiding you through this process of improving yourself. The process you are choosing to go through will be perfect. You will trust your body to do exactly the right thing. You trust the people helping you and believe they will cause you no pain. You will be breathing in love and trust. You trust all the people in your life. You trust all your angels to be working in your behalf. Toxins that have been waiting to come out will be completely released. You absorb what you need in the most perfect and wonderful way, releasing you from any pain. Your helpers do their work in the very best way. You will have restful sleep in a very pleasant, relaxed state. Your consciousness will be open to love, prayer, and a positive state of mind. No negative thoughts, emotions, or consequences from any substances or procedures will happen. Medications and supplements do what they are supposed to do and flow out of your body at the exact right time. Your beautiful body is open. Hands are guided by respect for you and by perfect judgment. Your physiology accepts and responds appropriately. You experience the release of all that has been in your way. You experience no unpleasant or unhealthy side effects. Harmony exists between you and all those who care about you. Your body responds perfectly. You will only lose that which is perfect. You trust your body to do the right thing and to take care of anything that happens. There will never be anything wrong. No pathogens enter your body. All body systems respond exactly as they should and work in harmony in a loving way. Your immune system is on alert and functioning optimally. Your body responds perfectly to every step of your way. You have made the perfect choice for yourself. You let go totally of any parts of yourself you no longer need. You trust that you have made this decision out of love. You are a blessing to everyone you come in contact with. Your cardiovascular and pulmonary systems are alert and perfect. The process is perfect. There are no complications. Everything is very smooth. You will arrive at the best outcome just as you want. All involved are guided by angels to make the best decisions. They hold you in their hands with the utmost respect and love. You are committing a loving act, allowing yourself to be opened this way. You breathe in only positive, and any negative is released to the universe. You are perfectly patterned to live in total happiness and perfect health. Nothing but good comes from this wonderful choice you've made. Only that which is to be released will be. The energies you still need will be remaining. Your anatomy responds perfectly to this process. Everything will be in its perfect place. All your fibers fit together perfectly. Your recovery is perfectly normal and filled with love. Your cells function perfectly. No pathogens are present. Your healing process happens in such a way that you feel absolutely no negative consequences. Nothing causes you any negative response. Your entire body is restored to a perfect configuration. No feelings of unusual pain ever exist. Your healing process begins immediately. You begin to take in nutrients immediately. A perfect healing comes about. You do not need to understand how all that you release will be transformed into positive in the universe. These energies will be recycled. All is working exactly the right way for you to receive the best possible and positive benefits. No negative residual effects remain. There has been no invasion of anything negative. Your body is poised perfectly to ward off any problems. You feel the positive energy and prayers from all those who love and support you. You trust and let go. Your blood vessels and all body organs and systems work perfectly. Your skin is beautiful with no negative consequences. You give thanks for the closure, your helper's skill and judgment. All chemicals are expelled. Your body is awake and responds normally. There will be no pain, no bleeding, no infection. You awake to a sense of peace, humbleness, strength, and trust. You reap the benefits of total health. You will resume all your activities in your normal life. There will be no negative side effects nor allergy reactions. You feel grateful to all who have supported you so wonderful. You will be comfortable. All systems function perfectly, and there will be nothing wrong. You feel a wonderful sense of accomplishment. You know you made the right choice. There will be no focus on pain or discomfort. You will feel calm, peaceful, and in perfect balance. You are uplifted, lightweight, and satisfied. You accept the love and positive energy around you. Your body adjusts perfectly. You feel lighter, freer, and have no regrets. Your body is beautiful. You see it in its perfection now. You are uplifted by this process. Your inner self knows exactly what to do. You are secure. You have no fear whatsoever. You are enveloped in a love which holds no judgment. You are bathed in love. You are safe to shed the layers that have protected you. You need defend yourself no longer. You are free of self-consciousness and society's rules. You are ready to shed the layers and safe to expose yourself. You are perfectly designed to live and love yourself unconditionally. I'm going to give you some time now for silence, for you and your higher self to commune privately. Affirm your connection to your inner knowing. Get specific now and commit yourself deeply to that which you have chosen to accomplish in order to improve your reality. Be sure to listen for any personal messages you might receive now. You're going to come back now to your normal waking consciousness by floating up on a rainbow of color. You will be refreshed, alive, and alert. Feel your connection within the earth and trees. Inhale the color red into your feet, ankles, intestines, and bladder. Your physical needs are met. You are in perfect health. You are grateful for health and prosperity. Inhale the color orange into your small intestines, bones, pancreas, spleen, and spine. All belief systems that no longer apply have been released. Your needs are met and you experience total well-being. You are courageous and appreciative. You inhale yellow now into your liver, gallbladder, and stomach. All tension and fear have been released. You breathe in total health. You are powerful and creative. You inhale green into your heart, vessels, and lungs. You have let go of any inappropriate emotions. You are love, trust, and joy. Inhale blue into your throat, mouth, and lymph. You are aware. You communicate thoughts and feelings. You hear your inner truth. It feels so good to see yourself this way. Inhale deep blue violet into your pituitary, eyes, nose, and sinuses. All fear has broken up. All tension has been released. You now see the inner truth. You are clarity, truth, and gratefulness. You feel how good it feels to clairvoyantly tune into yourself. You are now in contact with your higher self. You are enlightenment. You are inspiration. You are cleansed and purified. You remain relaxed but alive, alert, and awake in all ways. One final post-hypnotic suggestion before you wake up feeling refreshed. You remember everything you have learned. Every time you listen to this recording from now on, you will be reminded of all this that you remember. You know how to relax, meditate, commune with your inner self, heal yourself, and improve your reality. You feel the life force energy bringing in the new you. You are more happy than you have ever felt. You come back into your body now more than ever before. You come back into your normal waking consciousness. You are alive, alert, and awake right now. You may now open your eyes.